Hello everyone, welcome to my video channel. My name is Vikas Nera and I've been running a complete course on how to build a web hosting business. This is the final video in the series. Before this, I've uploaded 4 videos, and I'll provide a playlist of all the videos in the I button so you can check them out from there. If you haven't seen the third video, you won't fully understand WHM, so make sure to watch that third video completely. In that video, I connected WHMCS to WHM, so you must watch that video. In the last video, I installed WHMCS on the panel and did some basic configuration. I also connected WHMCS to WHM, so you'll see all of that completed in this video. Before we continue, if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so, as I'll keep posting videos related to email marketing and website development. This is my WHMCS, and I've also posted instructions on how to install WHMCS on my website, so make sure to check that out as well. Okay, on my website where I installed WordPress, it looks like this. I have a design in place. First, you need to go to Setup and then to Products and Services. Here, you need to go to the Service section, which I've already explained in a previous video, so make sure to check it out. I've connected this WHM server to WHM, so you must check out how I did it there. Now, you need to know this in the Products and Services section. Now we need to create a group here. Let's create a new group by clicking and naming it Shared Hosting. You can also add a tagline and select the design from here, but it's not important for me right now. You can also select the payment gateway from here. I'll click on Save Changes. After clicking on Save Changes, I've created a group here. Now I need to create a product. Click on Create a New Product and select Shared Hosting here. For the group name or pack selector, if you have different groups like Shared Hosting or WordPress Hosting, you can select them from here. Now you'll see the name of the product. Like in GoDaddy, they have hosting plans such as Starter, Economy, Deluxe. So I also have a starter plan, selected from here. Here the module is cPanel. Select cPanel and click on Continue. As soon as you click on Continue, all those options will appear. You need to add the product description here. Whatever you want to include in the product description, add it here. In this plan, specify what you're offering to the client, such as website hosting, domain, and email accounts. You can list all those features here. And what is the break line here? Okay, I'll add it here. For the welcome email, you need to enter hosting account welcome email. For quantity, 0 means unlimited. I'll do this, okay, and after ticking this box, I'll click Save Changes. After clicking Save Changes, you'll see the pricing section. There are 3 options here: free, one-time, and recurring. You can select recurring if you want to charge annually. Or for 2 years for 3 years. The top one is in INR, and the bottom is in USD. So I'll keep it in INR. For the first year, I'll put 1,000, for 2 years 2,000, and for 3 years 3,000. Now I'm putting anything for this demo, $10. Now $20 and $30, okay. You can adjust it here as needed. Okay, and after that, it's saying you can add multiple one-time setup fees here. Okay, after this, let's save the changes. After that, you'll see the module settings option. Here you need to put all the details. The package that you've created, you'll need to create this package on WHM. Now see, any default package is appearing here. Because I haven't created any package in WHM, okay. So this starter plan that I've created here, and its credentials, etc., which means it should be that simple. I've created it here, but I haven't created it in WHM, okay? I'll have to create it there. Because after creating it here, WHM will create it, then it will come to WHMCS, and then it will go to the client's email, okay? So here I enter its name, starter. And then from here, you can set all the parameters as per your requirements. I'll keep it allocated like this, put an API account and email account here. Okay, and create the mailing list here. So you can add parameters as per your requirement. Whatever you're offering to the client on the website, you have to create the same package here correctly. For example, if you're giving a subdomain to the client, you can create 5 subdomains, so keep 5 here. For MySQL accounts, make it 10, and for admin domains, you can decide whether to include them or not. Or if you want to limit it, then you can limit it. Parch domains, let's say we've done 1, okay. So the same things here, all the features that you're showing to the client here, that they'll get in the starter plan, you need to set up the same things here. The package has to be created. After that, you need to click on Add here. This package has been created here. And here when we come to our module, it's showing the default here. Now I'll refresh it. Look, here in my starter plan, the package has just been created. It has automatically been added here. After this, you need to select this option below, automatically set up the product as soon as the first payment is received. Keep this payment. What it will do is automatically set up the product when it receives the payment. As soon as a client clicks on Add to Cart from here and makes the payment, as soon as it receives the payment here, what will it do? It will create a cPanel account for this package and send it to the client's email. So select this here and then click on Save Changes, okay? After that, what you need to do is configure the upgrade options here. If you want to give the client the option to upgrade their package, you can do this. I don't need to do this now. We're not giving a free domain, and in the advanced section, there's an affiliate system. We're not setting up affiliates right now. After that, you need to go to the links section. I'll first save the changes. If I haven't done anything before, then I'll need to copy these links and paste them here because whenever the client does something here, like I do this, let me open it here and show you, okay? What will happen here is, like these categories are not created for shared hosting, so this shared hosting here, the pricing which you would set, did it come on a monthly basis? You would set it for yearly, so here, by doing this, it has shown monthly, okay. So, if I put this link here, then whenever a client goes to this link, something like this will appear in front of them. As soon as they click on that link, they'll enter their domain here and .com, then click on this. So here they'll get some options like this. Here it's showing yearly. Look at its price. If I do it for so many days, meaning in choice, month means 2 years. So here its price will be 2,000. If I do it for 3 years, then here the price will be 3,000, okay? And here, friends, I have 2 things on the side. It's showing in INR also. When I select it from here in USD, then the prices that I set here will start showing in dollars, okay? So this link, I'll copy it from here because I have to insert this link here. Okay, I'll copy it and come here. After coming here, go to the template. What do you have to do after coming to the template? Here is web hosting. You need to edit this. After editing, it says Edit with Emulator, so click on it, okay? So what will happen here is that you just have to make changes in one place, then the links in all the plans will get updated, okay? So we change in one place. From here, this is the plan. Let's edit the footer. Come to the footer and paste the link here. Then let's put the pricing here. Pricing here is saying months, so here we're saying. Let's put year, that means per year. Here it was our $10 in USD, okay? You can also refresh here and whatever its plan is, update it from here. Do this one, starter, update this plan, our starter plan. Okay, let's update it, and do this plan, economy. Okay, so that you can understand it correctly, let's do the plan for economy, let's do it. Deluxe, let's do it from here. Let's update Deluxe and refresh it from here. As soon as you refresh this, you'll see the changes of your plans from here in this starter, economy, deluxe. First, you've completed your starter plan, you've also created its package. Now you can create the economy plan in the same way. You need to go back to the product list and create a new product. Just like we created a starter host, this will be economy in a shared hosting group. The product will be created in the same way. You can choose economy here, go to the module, select cPanel, and click Continue. Okay, and here you can put the product description. I'll do it here. You need to consider all these things from your own perspective, because I'm only showing you how I do this work. If I want to show only that, then you can do it from your own perspective. Select it here, OK, save and go to pricing. I'll put it here, OK? I'll put it here. $4,000 and $6,000, OK. It starts from $20, 20. $40 and $60, OK. You can adjust these prices. Click Save Changes. In the module, now you'll have to create a package for this as well. So go to WHM and click on Packages, then add a package. Let's create a package with a name. Here you can put anything you want. Create 10 API accounts and create 5 email accounts in it. Let's make it 10. Let's make 10 mailing lists in it, 10 MySQL databases, OK. You can create 10 subdomains. Make 2 part domains here and 2 admin domains. After doing all this, click on Add, OK. After this, refresh it here again. The economy plan has been selected here, OK. If you want to continue, you don't have to set this plan here manually. You have to select it automatically. Now in product as soon as first, you have to select this, then click on Save Changes. Now come directly to the link section. This link is there. We will put this link in the economy plan. In the economy plan, you'll have to come to the footer here. Okay, after coming to footer, put this link here and the pricing that you set here. Put the price here, and the pricing was $20, okay? Let's update it. In the same way, you can make another product, name it Deluxe. You can keep all the features unlimited in it as well. I kept it this way, named it Deluxe, selected it from here, continued, and after this, the same process is here. You can do this also. You can keep the site space unlimited here. Disk space is also unlimited, so you can keep all the features unlimited in it. What am I doing? I'm copying and pasting. So I can do that by pasting it here and clicking on Feature and Save and Continue. In the same way, you can set its pricing accordingly, okay? Let's say you don't have to do it here, like 3,000. 6,000 and 9,000. In the same way, $30, $60, and $90, okay? Check this and save the changes. And after that, you have to go to the next module here and set it to automatically create the account. Now you have to add one more package here. Add package. The name of the package is Deluxe, and in this you should keep all the features unlimited. Make this one unlimited as well and click on Add. So this package has been added. Now I'll refresh it. See, the Deluxe package has also appeared here. It needs to be set to automatic, so click on Save Changes. Then directly here we come to links. I'll copy it and I'll put this link here in the Deluxe plan. I come to the footer and after putting this link, I'll put its pricing. I'll set it to yearly and the pricing is $30. Then click Update. So what will happen now is I'll refresh it. I'll show you all the plans that you have created, all your 3 packages. When I come back to the product list here, I had created a group called Hosting and in it I created 3 packages, Starter, Economy, Deluxe. It's okay. And it looks good, okay? The price of Deluxe hasn't changed properly, so its price is $1 more. If I click on Update, then it will change from here, okay? I update it again like this. So now if I open this site here, this is how it appears in front of the client. Just assume that now a client is coming to your site. They will see your packages here, and you can think about what you're offering in the second package, in the economy one. You can put that information here. It's very easy to put it here. Look here, just edit it. You click and it's very simple, okay? For example, if the client likes the economy plan the most, what will they do? They will click on Add to Cart. Okay, as soon as they click on the Add to Cart, they will land here. Then what will they do? They will enter their domain. Let's say xyz.com, and they'll put .com here, and click on Use. For example, if the client is from India, then they will select INR from here, otherwise they will select USD here, okay? If they want it for 1 year, then here they'll see the price in dollars. If they want it for 2 years, then they'll see it for $40. Okay, so I'll select it here for 2 years, okay, or 1 year. After that, I'll click Continue here. As soon as I continue, I come here, I click on Checkout, and here it's asking for details. So I enter my email here. I entered my email here, first name, last name. I will put all the details here. I will select them from here. And for the password, we copy this password and paste it here. As a customer, I am filling out everything here. I'm showing you how everything will look to the customer, okay? Now, 3 options are presented to the customer, whether they will pay through PayPal or through some other method. All the payment gateways will be visible here. Okay, I will do this. Okay, and after that you should check here once again to see if there's anything else. After this, what the customer will do is click on Complete Order. So as I've asked here what PayPal is, will it redirect to PayPal? Okay, I have it right now. No, it means I will not do all these things. So what I will do is I will come here. I will go to my WHM and look here. Now there is 0 pending order. Okay, as soon as I refresh it from here, look, 1 pending order is appearing here. I will not make the payment here right now. I will not make the payment through PayPal, etc. So I will directly approve it from here that yes, I have received the payment. So here 1 pending order is showing. I will click on it now. As soon as I click on it, it will show here that the payment status is incomplete right now. Okay. So if it's incomplete, then what do I do here? The status here is don't accept the order, or I make the status active, and what do I do with this order? I accept it. I accept that I have received the payment, so I accept it from here. The order is okay. And if this payment for your product gets done automatically from here, then all these things happen automatically and are received by the client there. But I am not making the payment. You can approve it from here also. For example, if you are taking offline payment from someone or you are taking payment from some other gateway, then you can approve it from here as well. Okay, so I come here and refresh to see what emails I have received, okay? So I check here. So far I haven't received any mail. I think I'll check here once. I go to list of all orders. Going to list of all orders, this one appears here, client name the Cosnera. So after approving the order here, we see here, as soon as I go to that client's details, we will get all the details. If for example the client hasn't received the email, then you can simply send them an email from here. For instance, many times the password reset email is not received by the client, so you can send it again from here. It has to come in the products and services, and this detail is created and sent to the client through emails. So if the hosting details haven't been sent to them, you can send it from here as well. You can send the hosting account welcome email from here too. For example, what happened to me here, see, 3 emails have come, 1 for order confirmation, 1 for acceptance, and the third one here is some details, etc. I have received it here. This is the name of the package and the domain, and which you can now log into. See, after logging in, what has started now is that there might be some difference on this side. So here you have to go to this URL and the ID password which it has given here. Now let's look at the username for cPanel. This is the password that WHM has automatically generated. Let's see if the login works. As you can see, the login has been successful with the current username. the user set their primary domain as xyz.com. So you can see, they created a cPanel account and assigned it to themselves from here. Now, let's go to WHM. Go to the Home section in WHM and check if the cPanel account has been created. Let's go to List Accounts and see. This one was created automatically, as you can see. Everything has happened automatically. If you're in contact with the client or there's a chat support on your website, the client might say they didn't receive the email. You can fix all those issues from here. If the email wasn't received, then here, like the client might use search client, for example, there's a client named Vikasnana. I've completed this and shown you how to check, as a client, whether they received the email when placing an order, or whether the account is being created and sent to them. If they haven't received it, you can send it from here. If they haven't received the product details, you can go here and send it to them. You can check all these things by going to the email section. You can see what emails have been sent to the client from here, and you can also check what messages have come from the client. You can check that from here, and from here you can see their reply and what invoices they have. You can also check that from here. There was an invoice which was still unpaid, but it was paid from our end, so now you can mark it as paid. I paid it from here, so now it has been marked as paid in-house. As soon as I made the payment from here, I received an email confirming that the payment has been made, which is why you're happy. All these processes become automatic, and you can also use other features available here. As you keep learning, you'll start understanding all these options. If you want personal training for this, you can WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp number is provided below. I also offer personal training, so you can avail that. I'll discuss the pricing with you there. If you have any problems, please leave a comment. I'll help you in whatever way I can. That's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do so, because more videos like this will be coming, and I teach a complete course. I've covered the entire course in this. You can provide services using this, like on Fiverr. I'll show you now that you can offer 3 types of services related to this course on Fiverr. Or you can build all these things for yourself. Or the third option is you can teach someone how to start their own hosting business. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.